Hey guys, this is Pawan Chauhan back with another video. So in this video today we will talk about how to make a bootable USB drive in Kali Linux. First of all, we need to download software for creating bootable USB. So open any browser in your computer, then just type for search unet boot in and open the first website. Now you can see, just click on it. Now if you have a 32-bit system, then download this, otherwise download 64-bit. I have 64-bit, so I will just download it. Here we can see how much our file has been downloaded. Just click on it. And now you can see the file complete downloaded. So now insert a USB drive in your computer, then open the terminal and type just a command sudo apt-get install mtools. And now our software is in the download folder, so just clean it. Then type command cd downloads ls, and now copy the software name and type command chmod plus x and paste it here. Then type the command // and paste the name. Now select the IOC file from which you want to make your pendrive bootable. Then select here a USB. Click on OK. Now it starts making bootable. It may take some 15 to 20 minutes, so wait. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel and comment me and tell me which topic you want to video on next. So thank you for watching this video.